Folks, Nev from Nev's Tech. Ultima IV, Quest for the Avatar. Apple II, 64 kilobytes required. This comes from the great old day when you actually got really nice stuff with your purchase, because the graphics could only do so much. In fact, I forgot about this till just recently. Oh, that's nice. We got some pictures in there. For those of us who don't know how to read, who just act like we do. That's some beautiful shape. Quests of the Avatar reference card. Look at all of this awesome stuff. Ooh. Comes with a nice little unk. Represents life. Let's take a look at this sheet. Oh man, how many people would I drive nuts if I just nailed this up on my wall? Yeah, I kicked myself. That's really nice. It's written in runic. Huh, interesting. And that is Ultima IV, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure I do this right. Actually, I gotta put everything away first. That's it for me, folks. Have a good one.